guys, we got our golgappa that we are gonna fry, and then there'll be golgappa. So we'll put it in our oil. And yeah, guys, by the way, this we are making pani puri today. So like this, we're gonna just sweep it around, and now like this, we have our golgappa radios. So we'll do it with all of them. We like have a one big pack that has millions and billions of them. So we'll fry all of them. So guys, now it is assembling time. So first we have our seal, our greens, and our boiled potatoes, our chana, and our yogurt because we are making yogurt pani puri. And we have our imli, and we have our chaat masala. As you guys can see, this is our chaat masala. And our golgappes. As you guys can see, these are really good cooked. So first we will hold in our golgappa like this, as you guys can see, and now we'll put it in our separate plate, as you guys can see, like this. So first we will add our potato in our golgappa, our chickpeas, like this, and our onion first, our little bit of our tomatoes, like this, our green chili, and now we'll add our dahi, our yogurt, like this, our chutney, like this, and now for the touch topping we'll add our seal, a little bit of our seal, just to fill it up, and a crunch of crunch, and now fill all of them like this. Guys, they're so yummy. When you put the chanas and the boiled potatoes in your mouth with the vegetables and the yogurt, it tastes like heaven. Like literally, this is so good. Like look at them, it's getting ready. We're gonna put some seal on the topping. Seal is like really good. And now we'll put some garnishing, some tomatoes, some dhania, and some of our chutney. So guys, these are ready. As you guys can see, these look so beautiful. So I'm ready to taste them, guys. I'm ready for that. So guys, now this is testing time. They're all filled up. Probably this one. Yo, look at it. It's filled like crazy. So now it's eating time. Mmm. This is actually so good. Guys, I'm not eating golgappa. I'm eating pani puri. This is actually so good. This is the best thing I ever tasted. So guys, if you guys like this video, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I'll see you in the next video. For now, Allah Hafiz.